A hand mixer is a versatile kitchen tool for mixing, whipping, and beating ingredients. It's perfect for blending cake batter, whipping cream, or even making mashed potatoes. Unlike stand mixers, hand mixers are compact and portable, allowing for easy maneuverability and storage. So in today's video, we're talking about the 5 best hand mixers of 2025. To find the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these products, we put the links in the description box down below. Thanks. First up, we've got the Kenwood 5 Speeds Hand Mixer. This little gadget is a staple in many kitchens, and for good reason. The Kenwood 5 Speeds Hand Mixer is a reliable and versatile kitchen appliance that balances performance with practicality. Known for its robust build and efficient operation, this mixer is designed to handle a variety of mixing tasks with ease. Equipped with a 300-watt motor, the Kenwood hand mixer offers 5 different speed settings, allowing you to tailor the mixing speed to your needs. Whether you're slowly incorporating ingredients, beating eggs, or whipping cream, you can select the appropriate speed to achieve the desired consistency. The inclusion of a turbo function provides an extra boost for those times when you need a bit more power, making it ideal for tougher mixing tasks like dough or batter. One of the key advantages of this mixer is its ergonomic design. The handle is well-shaped, providing a comfortable grip that reduces hand strain during extended use. The mixer also features a lightweight construction, making it easy to maneuver and operate without feeling cumbersome. The Kenwood 5 Speeds hand mixer comes with stainless steel beaters and dough hooks that are both durable and dishwasher safe. These attachments are designed to efficiently mix, whip, and knead, ensuring thorough blending of ingredients. The beaters are particularly effective at minimizing splatter, which helps keep your kitchen clean. Another practical feature is the simple eject button, which allows for easy removal of the beaters or hooks, making cleanup a straightforward process. The cord is designed to be flexible and tangle-free, enhancing the mixer's ease of use and storage. In terms of build quality, Kenwood is known for its sturdy appliances, and this hand mixer is no exception. It feels solid and durable, with a design that should withstand regular use over time. Overall, the Kenwood 5 Speeds hand mixer offers excellent value with its combination of power, functionality, and user-friendly features. It's a great choice for both novice and experienced bakers who need a reliable mixer for everyday tasks. Next up, we've got the Cuisinart RHM100, a hand mixer that promises to blend ergonomics with power seamlessly. The Cuisinart RHM100 hand mixer stands out for its blend of versatility, design, and performance. With a powerful 220-watt motor, it provides ample power to handle a variety of mixing tasks, from whipping cream and beating eggs, to mixing dough and batters. One of the key features of the RHM100 is its 5-speed control system, which includes a turbo boost function. This range of speeds allows for precise control, whether you need a slow mix to incorporate ingredients gently, or a high speed for quicker results. The turbo boost option is particularly useful for tackling tougher mixing jobs, giving you an extra burst of power when needed. The ergonomic design of the Cuisinart RHM100 enhances user comfort, featuring a soft grip handle that minimizes hand strain during extended use. The mixer is lightweight, making it easy to maneuver and handle. Its sleek, modern design not only looks great but also ensures ease of use. The hand mixer comes equipped with stainless steel beaters and a pair of dough hooks. Both are durable and dishwasher safe, ensuring easy cleanup. The beaters are designed to reduce splatter, which helps keep your kitchen tidy while mixing. Additionally, the mixer features an easy-to-use beater eject button for quick and hassle-free removal of attachments. Another practical feature is the swivel cord, which can be adjusted to accommodate both left and right-handed users, adding to the mixer's versatility and convenience. The compact size of the Cuisinart RHM100 also makes it easy to store in your kitchen without taking up too much space. Overall, the Cuisinart RHM100 hand mixer offers a combination of power, functionality, and user-friendly design. It's a solid choice for home bakers and cooks who need a reliable mixer for various tasks. With its thoughtful features and performance capabilities, it delivers excellent value for both everyday use and special baking projects. Right, moving on to the KitchenAid KHMB 732. The KitchenAid KHMB 732 is a standout in the world of kitchen appliances, known for its blend of performance, durability, and user-friendly design. This model features a powerful 7-speed motor, providing the versatility needed for a wide range of mixing tasks. From slowly incorporating dry ingredients to quickly whipping up cream or beating egg whites, you have precise control over your mixing speed, allowing for perfect results every time. One of the key highlights of the KHMB 732 is its soft start feature, which gradually increases the mixing speed to prevent splattering. This is especially useful when working with flour or other powdered ingredients. Additionally, the ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, even during extended mixing sessions. The mixer's handle is designed to reduce hand fatigue, making it more enjoyable to use. The KHMB 732 comes with two stainless steel turbo beaters that are robust and durable, ideal for heavy-duty tasks like mixing thick batters or dough. These beaters are also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. For added convenience, the mixer includes a handy storage bag so you can keep everything organized and within easy reach. Another impressive feature is the ability to detach the beaters with the touch of a button, making it easy to switch out accessories or clean the parts. The overall design of the KHMB 732 is sleek and modern, and available in various colors to match your kitchen decor. In summary, the KitchenAid KHMB 732 hand mixer combines power, versatility, and ease of use in a stylish package. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just getting started, this hand mixer is a valuable tool that enhances your kitchen experience. So if you're in the market for a new hand mixer, give this one a try and you won't be disappointed. Next up, we've got the Breville Handy Mix Scraper, a true marvel in the world of kitchen appliances. The Breville Handy Mix Scraper is a standout hand mixer that combines functionality with innovative design. With a 240-watt motor, it provides ample power to tackle a wide range of mixing tasks, from whipping cream and beating eggs to mixing thicker batters and dough. One of the most notable features of this mixer is its scraper beater technology. Unlike traditional beaters, the scraper beaters are designed to be flexible, allowing them to scrape the sides of the bowl as they mix. This ensures that all ingredients are thoroughly combined without the need to frequently stop and scrape down the sides manually. This feature is particularly useful for achieving smooth, lump-free mixtures and making cleanup easier. The Breville Handy Mix Scraper offers a total of 9 speed settings, including a powerful turbo boost function. This wide range of speeds provides precise control over the mixing process, whether you're gently incorporating ingredients or rapidly whipping up a meringue. The turbo function gives you an extra burst of power when needed, perfect for tougher mixing jobs. Comfort is another key aspect of the Handy Mix Scraper. It features an ergonomic handle with a soft grip design, which reduces hand strain and makes it comfortable to use for extended periods. The lightweight construction further enhances maneuverability, making it easy to control and handle. The mixer also includes stainless steel beaters and dough hooks, which are durable and dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The beaters are designed to minimize splatter, helping to keep your kitchen clean during the mixing process. Additionally, the mixer's cord is designed to be retractable, which simplifies storage and keeps your countertop clutter-free. Overall, the Breville Handy Mix Scraper is an excellent choice for those seeking a high-performance, user-friendly hand mixer. Its innovative scraper beater technology, extensive speed settings, and comfortable design make it a versatile and valuable tool in the kitchen. For both everyday mixing and more demanding tasks, it delivers efficiency and ease of use, making it a great investment for any home cook or baker. Finally, we come to the Smeg HMF01. The Smeg HMF01 hand mixer is a stylish and functional addition to any kitchen, offering a blend of vintage-inspired aesthetics and modern performance. With its sleek retro design, available in a variety of vibrant colors, it's not just a tool but a statement piece that adds a touch of elegance to your countertop. Performance-wise, the Smeg HMF01 doesn't disappoint. It features a 250-watt motor with 5 speed settings, giving you precise control over mixing, whipping, and beating. This versatility is perfect for a range of tasks, from gently folding ingredients to quickly whipping up cream or beating egg whites. The mixer also includes a turbo function for an extra burst of power when needed. One of the standout features is its ergonomic handle, designed for comfortable use even during prolonged mixing sessions. The mixer is equipped with stainless steel beaters and dough hooks, both of which are robust and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. The beaters are specifically designed to ensure efficient mixing and reduce splatter, enhancing your overall baking experience. Another practical feature is the easy-to-use eject button, which allows for quick removal of the beaters or hooks, simplifying both the switching of accessories and the cleaning process. The cord is also designed to be flexible and tangle-free, adding to the convenience of use. In terms of build quality, the Smeg HMF01 is sturdy and well-crafted, reflecting Smeg's reputation for durable, high-quality appliances. While it might be priced at a premium compared to some other hand mixers, the combination of its performance, design, and brand reputation can justify the investment for many home bakers and cooking enthusiasts. Overall, the Smeg HMF01 hand mixer is a superb choice for those who appreciate both functionality and style. It offers reliable performance with a touch of retro charm, making it a standout appliance in both performance and aesthetics.